Hello and welcome. Today we are going to talk about one of the biggest questions in finance. How do you make absolutely sure your money lasts as long as you do? We're going to break down a really powerful tool designed for exactly that. It's called an annuity, so let's dive right in.
All right, let's just start with the question that probably keeps a lot of us up at night. Will my savings actually last through my entire retirement? It is a huge concern, and it's the very problem we're going to look at a solution for today.
To solve a big problem like that, we first have to understand the specific challenges we're up against. See, planning for retirement isn't just about saving a pile of money, it's about protecting that money from some very real risks out there.
So let's look at the 5 big ones. First, there's longevity risk. And that's just the simple fact that we're living longer these days, which is fantastic, right? But it means our money has to stretch further. Second, market risk. A big crash right when you retire can seriously damage your savings for years to come. Then there's income risk. Relying on stocks and bonds can mean your paychecks are all over the place. And on top of all that, you've got things like complicated withdrawal rules and taxes that can quietly eat away at your accounts.
So, how in the world do you defend yourself against all those risks? Well, that brings us right to the solution we're talking about today, the annuity. It's a financial product that was literally designed from the ground up to tackle these exact retirement challenges.
At its core, an annuity is actually a pretty simple idea. It's a contract, a deal you make with an insurance company. You give them a sum of money, either in one lump sum or over time. And in return, they promise to pay you back with a steady, regular stream of income in the future. You can really think of it as a way to create your own personal pension plan.
But it's about so much more than just getting a paycheck. As our source material says so well, annuities are about lifetime income, sure, but also protecting your savings and providing tax-deferred growth. And those are the 3 key benefits we're about to jump into right now.
So let's break down those 3 core benefits. I like to call them the 3 pillars of retirement security. Once you understand these, you'll really see how an annuity can strengthen your whole financial plan. Okay, pillar number 1, and this is the big one, income. An annuity can take a chunk of your nest egg and transform it into a guaranteed paycheck that you absolutely cannot outlive. It gives you predictability and that peace of mind that comes from knowing a certain amount of money is going to show up every month for life.
The second pillar is growth. Money inside an annuity grows tax-deferred. Now, what does that mean? It means you're not paying taxes on the interest or gains every single year. This lets your money compound way more efficiently over time, building a bigger nest egg without that annual drag from taxes.
And the third pillar is protection. This is huge for your peace of mind. Many types of annuities protect your principal from market downturns. So, get this. Even if the stock market has a terrible, horrible, no-good year, your initial investment is shielded from loss. It gives you a secure foundation to build on. Okay, so the benefits are pretty clear, right? Income, growth, and protection. Now you're probably thinking, all right, this sounds interesting. How do I actually get one? Well, the good news is it's a very structured and straightforward process.
The whole thing really breaks down into 5 simple steps. First, you've got to define your goal. Are you looking for income right away, or do you want long-term safe growth? Second, you pick the right type of annuity to match that goal. Third, you decide how to pay for it. You can use cash, or you could roll over money from an old 401k or an IRA. Now, step 4 is critical. You have to compare different insurance companies. And finally, you can work with a broker who can help you find the absolute best deal for your situation, and usually at no extra cost to you.
Now, let's be real for a second. An annuity is a powerful tool, for sure, but like any tool, it's not the right fit for every single person or every single situation. So let's take a look at who really stands to benefit the most from this. So who is this for? Well, an annuity can be a fantastic fit if you're getting close to retirement and your main priorities are guaranteed income and protecting your savings from a volatile market. On the flip side, if you're younger and you need access to your cash for short-term goals, or you're an investor who's totally comfortable with higher risk for potentially higher returns, an annuity probably isn't the right choice for you right now.
So if you listened to that and thought, hey, I sound like I'm in that first group, and you think an annuity might have a place in your retirement strategy, the next logical step is to see what that would actually look like for you personally.
When you boil it all down, the number one reason people buy an annuity is to guarantee an income they can't outlive. And here at The Annuity Expert, helping people do exactly that, well, that's our specialty. It's what we do all day long.
And because we believe finding the right fit is so crucial,
Our educational services are always 100% free. We can help you compare all the quotes and answer your specific questions with absolutely no cost and no obligation. To learn more about how an annuity could fit into your plan, just give us a call at 770-755-1565 or check out our website. We really hope this explainer helped you understand this powerful retirement tool a little bit better.